Look how much bubble we have. This all, the fermentation was perfectly made. Ready to go in my mouth? Yeah, I'm ready. Like a F and F, because semolina gives a nice crispy touch. That's how you do it. Pinch it, finger under, and then make it larger. But be careful, don't put your hands together. Smash that like. Let's go for the love of the pizza. So we put less salt, a little bit more yeast, and that's how we make the dough ready in 1 hour. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, we are in the holiday season, so happy holidays to everybody. Guys, I'm so excited because I made something outstanding and I never did it, but today I did it for you. It's holiday season, nobody have time. So look at this, today I'm going to show you how to make this fabulous pizza, soft and crunchy in the same time, at home 100%, but most importantly in 1 hour. Guys, you ever see a dough, a perfect pizza, Neapolitan style, made in 1 hour? No. So today it's the day to show you then how to make the perfect Neapolitan pizza in 1 hour at your house. So guys, smash the like, share this video, but most importantly, watch until the end, because today is going to be fun. So get ready, repeat this recipe. What can I say? Guys, thank you so much. We almost reached the 600,000 subscribers. Probably if you're watching now and we are already 600,000, help me to reach 1 million subscribers, because woo, no secret, all about the pizza. So for pizza lover, smash that like. Look at this. Pizza makes your life better. That's true or not? Comment below. So let's go ahead and let's see how to make this fabulous pizza full recipe. Let's start with the dough. Welcome to the best pizza channel. The secret, it's here, because 1 hour it's possible to make the pizza dough in 1 hour. It's possible. But this is from my street Iacopelli to you. This is the best and the only way to make the dough in 1 hour. Fragrant, digestible, and perfect texture. Like you can see here, the pizza. Did you see how it looks like? Well, I know you like it. So this is how to do it. Let's prepare Poolish, which is a pre-fermented yeast. This is super easy. 125 grams of water in a cup, in a container. 1 teaspoon of dry yeast in the water. 1 teaspoon of voila, 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix everything up. Super easy. Before going to sleep you can make this. And 125 grams of flour. Go ahead, dump everything. That's it. Now mix everything up until it's all together with a spoon. No worry about. Once it's all together, that's it, just like that. See, super easy. Watch this. Go ahead and close it and leave it at room temperature for 1 hour. So guys, this is the Poolish. Make sure to follow this. 1 hour at room temperature and then 16 to 24 hours in the fridge. Once the Poolish is ready, let me show you the second step. Let's go to sleep because it's night here. Buonanotte. Okay guys, here we go. The Poolish, after 24 hours, it's ready. Like you can see, it's full of bubbles. Look at the inside. It's nice and fermented. Look how much bubble we have. This all, the fermentation was perfectly made. Your question always is, can I use the Poolish right from the fridge? Yes, you can. So now, let's go ahead, let's put the Poolish in a bowl. Guys, this recipe is very easy to remake. So, go ahead and do it. Good for one pizza and ready in 1 hour. So we're gonna get the whole Poolish. The secret here is to make the dough ready in 1 hour. So how we do it is get 50 grams of flour, half of dry yeast, important, put it in the flour, mix the yeast in the flour just like that, and now dump the flour in the Poolish. In the same time, go ahead and use a half teaspoon of salt. When you put less salt, it will help to speed up basically the fermentation. So we put less salt, a little bit more yeast, and that's how we make the dough ready in 1 hour. So go ahead and integrate the flour in the dough. That's it. Now let's get everything and dump it on the counter, and we're gonna make the dough. Let's say use the fingers, and this is perfect for 75-72% of hydration actually. That's it. Now flip it over and integrate. We have to get all this flour. It's very easy. When you do the dough, one end put it on top and one end you press. One end you put it on top and one end you press. Boom, 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 work the dough for a few minutes. It's very important when it's sticky, don't use anything. Watch what I do. If it gets too sticky, it's simple. Hold on, voila. So the dough will be very sticky like you can see. So now grab a spatula, take off everything from the counter. There we go. Take off from the counter, and now watch this. We're gonna wait just like that for 5 minutes, not too much. Leave it like this. Okay, now 5 minutes pass by, and now let's get a little bit of olive oil in your hands. Not too much, guys, not too much, just a little bit, like that. Tap, tap, tap on top, and watch this, the magic. The dough, now with 2 fingers, you're gonna get it, and just like a magic, you have the dough ball ready to rock and roll. See, nice and smooth. Get a little bit of olive oil. Put it inside, voila, that's it. And now it's time, make sure it's closed, just like that, it's gonna go inside the container. So now, at this point, the time starts now. So leave it at room temperature for 1 hour. I'm gonna go ahead and put a time lapse, this way we see the fermentation process for 1 hour. So let's wait 1 hour at room temperature. The dough, it's lovely, ready. Fantastic, nice and soft. But before, we're gonna prep the ingredients. Here in this video, we're gonna make everything fast, so I'm gonna show you right away what I do. I like to stretch with a little bit of flour and a little bit of semolina, like half and half, because semolina gives a nice crispy touch to the pizza. Mix everything up, pam, 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 pam. You see, we have the perfect mix to make the pizza. The original classic margherita pizza. So I like the muti sauce, you can find it anywhere. So dump the tomato sauce in the bowl, like you can see, polpa. These are the best. Half of teaspoon of salt, pinch of basil, fresh. Just grab it, break it, pum pum pum, voila. A bit of olive oil, like you can see, voila. Mix everything up. This, wow. Perfect. Tomato sauce is ready. Fresh mozzarella, this is the perfect cut to cut the cheese. I mean, little square. And voila, we need a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and we have all the ingredients that we need to make the perfect margherita pizza in 1 hour. So guys, today we're gonna cook the pizza in the home oven. This is 300 grams because we're gonna make the pizza nice and big. If you are new in my videos, go ahead and subscribe now. So let's go ahead. It's time to make the pizza. So before making the pizza, warm up the oven for 30 minutes at the max temperature. I'm gonna teach you really easy how to stretch. Voila, dump the dough in the flour and then start to press. Like you can see, the dough is full of air. Just press, and not stretch. Everybody does this mistake to stretch. So here we're gonna press. You see? Tap, 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 tap on top. Press until you feel the table under. Press, leave the crust, leave the center, and then leave a little bit 1 inch on the top, on the sides. One end here, put it on top, take off all the flour. At this point, we don't need any more the flour. There we go. But if it's sticky, go ahead and use more flour. So now, see, right hand you press, left hand you pull. Right hand you press, left hand you pull. So like at this point, watch this. One end here, and then put it on top, and then one end under, and this is a little trick that I do, and make it larger. Not like these hands, but down. So make the pizza larger, find a spot, and boom, voila, we stretch the perfect pizza. Don't worry about now it's small, but we're gonna make it a little bit bigger. So the pizza will relax when we are going to put all the ingredients. The pizza will relax. It's going to be more easy to make a large. Because we are cooking the pizza in the home oven, we're gonna do it 2 times the cook. So we're gonna go ahead and put just the tomato sauce. 2-3 spoons on the center, and then from the center go around, and voila. So now a little bit of flour on the peel, and then boom, pinch it, and then voila, the pizza is on the peel. So now the peel is 14 inches, so we're gonna make it for a little bit bigger, so 14 inches. So that's how you do it. Pinch it, finger under, and then make it larger. But be careful, don't put your hands together on the sides. See here, we have a little hole. Look at this. We have a little hole. So how we fix that? Watch this. Little secret. Probably if you follow me, you know this. Little bit in the flour and then put it under. So watch this. Now, don't touch that part anymore. Let's make the pizza a little bit bigger. Voila. Voila. There we go. Now we have 13 inches. So let's go ahead and let's pre-cook the pizza until it gets gold color at the max temperature. Okay guys, the pizza is nice golden color. The peel we don't need anymore. If you want to use the peel, you go ahead and use the peel. But I like to use some grill like this because all the air gets out from the pizza. So the pizza is nice and gold color, outstanding crust. I mean, we made this in 1 hour, guys. So the goal is that it needs to be nice and digestible. Look at this, the crust. Nice. Get a little bit of olive oil. Watch this, little bit lightly on the crust. Now with your finger, just go and try to put it all on the pizza. Boom, boom, boom. Now, at this point, we're gonna put all the ingredients that we want. I'm gonna make the original. So, pecorino. Dimmi, amore mio.
Ciao.
Ciao, amore mio.
La lenti e tu.
Oh, sta lavando i denti. Vuoi dire ciao a tutti quanti? You wanna say bye bye?
Bye.
Guys, check out her channel. For the holiday season, go ahead and subscribe to her channel. Give me 5. Say thank you. I'll see you soon. I'll see you on my channel. Bye bye. So at this point, like I say, you can put all the ingredients. Pecorino. I like to put some basil before and also a little bit later. This way it gives more flavor to the pizza. Now, basil, voila, and then fresh mozzarella on top. You know why we made the first cook? Because this way the mozzarella doesn't cook, doesn't burn. This way you taste also the regular cheese how it's supposed to be. So the pizza now can go back in the oven at the max temperature, and then let's cook it until the mozzarella starts to bubbling. So let's go ahead, let's put it there. Voila. Okay guys, the pizza, mozzarella starts to bubbling, and boom, oh my God. Voila, I always get surprised. Take a look of the pizza. The test. Shh. Soft and crunchy at the same time. So we pass the test. We pass the test. So guys, I mean, take a look, guys. Take a look how this pizza come out. In 1 hour, the dough, it's perfect. Guys, take a look of the crust, the bottom. It's perfect, lovely. The crust, nice. I mean, smash the like. Let's go for the love of the pizza. Smash the like in 1 hour. It's perfect, guys. I mean, for all the people that doesn't want to wait, this is the way to go. Share this channel with 3 friends. It's totally free. You're helping me reach the 1 million subscribers. And guys, happy holiday to everybody. So let's cut the pizza. Let's cut the pizza. The goal here is today to see if this pizza is really a good pizza. Like I said in the beginning, this is my first time making the pizza. So we have to first of all check out the inside of the crust. Ooh, take a look. That's what I'm talking about. It's nice air. Wow. Are you looking at it? I mean, let's see. I mean, take a look. I want to show you to you better. Take a look at the crust. Soft, crunchy in the same time. So air pocket equals light in your stomach and more digestible. Out of this world. Ready to go in my mouth? Yeah, I'm ready. It's the texture. It's outstanding. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. How I pull it. It breaks really quick, really easy. Look when I bite. Wow. Just thank you so much for your valuable time to watch this video. Guys, again, man, this pizza is fantastic. Consider to subscribe and I'll see you at the next one. Every week, new video. I do my best to make content every week, and then I will make a video every week. So this is just the beginning. Ciao.